Okay, I'm going to just ask you a straight-up question, and I'm not trying to ask you this to be disrespectful or try to avoid anything. Could you please tell me, sir, if there's a warrant for my arrest so I can go turn myself in and get this straightened out? Because that's the only way that I'm going to get to, that's the only way I'm going to be able to get back to my job, man.
Yeah, yes, there is one out for your arrest.
There's a warrant out for my arrest? Why?
Why? Because
Why?
Because the evidence we have says leads us to believe that there was a crime committed. That's why.
There's a warrant for my arrest? Could you tell me what the warrant is based on?
Yeah, the physical evidence.
So y'all are looking for me?
Yep.
Why, sir? I didn't do anything wrong, man. I walked away from that.
Well, I'll tell you what. You come in, and I will arrange to have a polygraph for you, and then you can go give a polygraph, and you can clear yourself that way.
All right.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. You know where we are, right?
Yeah, but you don't know where I am.
No, not now, but, you know, we'll find you. I mean, it's just a matter of time.